Welcome back to Learning Self-Defense with Kru Hemanth Kumar, a 3-time World Championship bronze winner, who's developed techniques using pressure points. The last video explained how to break free from an attacker who has grabbed you by the hip from the front. In case you missed out, go ahead and watch now.
Hello all, I'm Kru Hemanth Kumar from Master's Muay Thai Academy. Today with my student Ganesh and Smita, we bring along a new technique for you to learn today. Well, it's a point called as the mental nerve. Have you heard that? You may not have technically, but you have seen knockouts happening in most of the sport fights where the person gets hit here, a knockout happening, bang! You see the person going down instantly, irrespective of how much of his trainings happen, how much of muscles are built in the body, how heavy and how tall. It does not really matter for a pressure point. If struck at the right time and the angle of penetration and the location is met, anybody would drop when touched by the pressure point. All right. So today's lesson would be the mental nerve, the edge of the ending of the lip. If you just take a line slanting between the jaw and the lip, this would be the mental nerve. Please note that very carefully. Look at my finger pointing in a slant, not straight, slant. This is the pressure point. And the boxing shot goes boom. It will cause a knockout. So how can we use it as a layman? Again, like I say in the previous videos, any kind of hold from any direction, it does not really matter. All right. So if I know how to punch when being held, I would go bang directly on the spot. If I don't know how to punch, I'll close up, use a thumb on this mental nerve, which will make the person turn around. Now I can control, I can break down, or I can go for the groin, I can go for the elbow, I can even go for the slap. But this is where you control the adversary. When training with your partner or your friends, please be careful. You cannot apply too much of pressure here. This can make the person go unconscious, which you have witnessed in many boxing fights, generally. That's wonderful. Let me now ask Ganesh and Smita to demonstrate the technique for us. Guys, please come into position. Ready? Please watch it carefully. Go into position now. Ready? Go. There we go. There we go. Bam. You see how the head moves away. The moment she gives the pressure on the point there, you can just see how the head moved away, right? That's how powerful the point is. So please do train, and when you're training with your partner or your friends, take care of the safety measures. It is at your own risk. This is for your learning. This is for your safety. So you have to also take responsibility in doing it the way it has been taught. And you'll be using it at your own risk, depending on what kind of situations you face in life. Right? Please do like and share our videos, and do not forget to subscribe and hit the bell icon. See you in the next video. Thank you.